So today we are talking about Long Beach, California Airport. Long Beach, California Airport in the city of Long Beach. That'll be the exit from 405 freeway, entering to the Long Beach Airport. Long Beach Airport is very easy to get in and out. Much better than LAX traffic. You can avoid all that. We're taking a direct flight to Hawaii, Maui from Long Beach, which is a 5-hour flight. So convenient. Here's the parking lot B for long-term parking. On the left-hand side. You park here at the kiosk. Very convenient. You pay the ticket when you return from your trip, so you can exit out very easily. The airport is like a walking distance on one-story building. After TSA screening, you'll be out in this area where you can connect your flights. Nice courtyard. There's places to eat, grab some coffee, grab some snacks, and you can see the plane right standing over there where you're going to be boarding soon. All single level. Pretty modern. Cool art on the wall. All local art. Places in Long Beach. There's 2 terminals where you can go to the gates to the plane. And they both have on each side some restaurants to eat. We were there in early morning, so some of the restaurants were not open. They were about to open. We were able to grab some coffee and bagels. Lots of seating area, your flight schedules, small vending machines before you board. To your flight, there's some headphones, mask if you want to buy. Masks are still in use. There's an Apple iStore, accessories. If you forgot your charger at home, which happens a lot. Grab some magazines. And here we're boarding for our Hawaiian Airlines air flight. Hawaiian, Southwest, Alaska. There's some to name that board from Long Beach Airport. We just walk up to the plane. How cool is that? And here we are in Hawaii, just in 5 hours, having our first meal next to the beach with the views. Please subscribe my channel for more travel vlogs. For watching.